How to integrate Google Calendar and Google Drive in MatterSuite. Go to App module. Click on View. To integrate Google Calendar here, click on Connect button. Now sign in with your Google account. Now your Google account is now connected to MatterSuite. Now click on Sync button to sync Google Calendar. Choose where to sync your MatterSuite calendar. Select and click Save. Now go to Calendar. Here you will find your synced calendar. Now let's check how to integrate Google Drive. Go to App module. Click on View. Now click on Connect button. Here you can integrate your Google Drive. Now use your Google account for verification. Here you have successfully connected your Google Drive to MatterSuite. Now to check the Google Drive integration, go to Documents. Now select Google Drive from drop-down menu. Now click on Integration Docs. Select Google Drive. Now you can upload your files on Google Drive from MatterSuite. Here is your uploaded document.